Good morning. It's math class, and I actually just wanted to start off with one quick math talk. All right. So, um, so if you can get me the sum, I'm adding. So I've got two add-ins in this one. Can you get me the sum of this really quick? If you said 12, you are right. The sum's 12. And if we were in class, I'd ask, how'd you get it? But there's a couple of ways. One way I thought of right away is I knew my doubles, and I know 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 7 is just 2 more than this 5, so it had to be 12. So I did doubles plus 2. Do you see it? All right. Another way I saw, I could have done 7 plus 7 equals 14. Sorry. And that is a doubles, right? But this is too much. And I notice this is 5 is 2 less than 14. So that would be 12. And that is doubles minus 2. How many people did it one of my ways? All right. How many people counted up? All right. Can we think of another way? I suppose I could have made a friendly 10. Shall I? All right, sure. So I know that 5 is 2 and 3, right? So if I add 3 to 7, it's 10. And then I know I have to add 2 more to make 5, which is 12. Friendly number 10. Friendly number 10. I decomposed 5. If you did that way, nice job. Couple of different ways. Quick sharing today, all right? I do want to start my math lessons with number talks. Now we're going to place value. We're gonna write our numbers in 3 ways today. I've written one way. That's your base 10. Remember, these are 10s. This is your base 10 way. This is as 10s and 1s. So in this lovely number, which is how much? 43. How many 10s are there? You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would write 4 10s. And how many 1s? You're right. 1, 2, 3. Now I want it the standard way, the way we see it all the time. And that would be written like 41. 3 ways. Should we go for a 4th? Let's do a 4th. Can I fit it? This is a little more like 2nd grade. You'll do more of these in 2nd grade, but I want you to be able to raise your hand when one of your teachers say, do you know what expanded form means? And all it means is we've got base 10, 10s and 1s, in standard form. All it means we have to write the value of each digit. So how much? What's the value of 4? If I was to give you that, 40, right? And what's the value of 1? 1. And if I add 40 plus 1, it equals 40. That's all they want you to do is write it in its expanded form. It takes, okay? Expanded means bigger, larger form. Expand like an elastic band. We just expanded 41 to its values. All right, let's try. Oh, I didn't mean to erase everything. All right, here we go. 1. Okay, here we go. You got to write 10s and 1s. You were right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. And how many 1s? 2. I don't want the value here. I just want to know how many 10s. What's the standard form? Beautiful. And let's do expanded form. So instead of counting how many tens are, we need to find the value. So now we can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the value of the 5 and 52 is 50. That we don't have 52 yet, right? So what do we have to add to it? The ones. Equals 52. This is just 4 different ways of writing a number. Base 10, tens and ones, standard form, and expanded form. They're all the number 52, just shown differently. Let's try one more. I don't want to erase everything. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's get bigger. Maybe even bigger. All right. Okay, here we go. Take you a minute to look at it. I want it as tens and ones. Let's see. I hear 8 tens. Let's see. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. And I've heard 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what would this look like in standard form? Base 10, tens and ones. What's standard form? Did you say 85? You were right. And the last way we're going to do it is expanded form. All right. I want to write it in a larger form than 85. All right. So the expanded form is just looking at the value of each digit. So the 8, what's the value if I gave this to you? How much is it? Well, we could check up here. Let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's the value of the 8 plus the value, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 85. 4 different ways to show the number 85. Nice job. You will be writing some of these ways today and this week. So I just wanted to review our ways. Base 10, tens and ones, standard form, and expanded form. All different ways of saying 85 today. So you got a couple worksheets that you might be writing a couple of those ways today. I want you to practice. You have a great day. See you at 9 o'clock. Ooh, maybe I've already seen you. Depends when you watch my videos. But I'm doing this at about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll see you later. Bye.